Hey friends, how are you today? My name is Abdul Aziz Ahwan from Indonesia and welcome back to my channel. This video is my first video in 2019. By the way, Happy New Year's. Okay, today we are going to talk about Filmora Pro. But before we are going to the main topic of this video, I'm very grateful if you want to click the subscribe button to make this channel growing up. Okay, thank you so much and let's get started with my video. My first time became a content creator on YouTube. I started by learning video editing with Wondershare Filmora. My videos were edited using Wondershare Filmora. Because for me, Wondershare Filmora is very user-friendly for ordinary people who want to start learning video editing. A few months later, I began to move from Wondershare Filmora to Vegas Pro. Even now, I am still using it. But last November 2018, I received very surprising information. Filmora gave a very significant update with the emergence of Filmora Pro. This information made me curious, so I wanted to try it and I decided to install it. To install it was very easy. Just go to the Filmora website and then we choose Filmora Pro and then select download. And just wait until the download is complete. The next step, we look for the download file directory. The size is not too large, only around 240 MB. Right-click and select Install. Wait until the installation process is complete. When the Windows is finished, just click Finish. But as we can see here, the GPU warning windows appear. Maybe because my computer graphic driver is only Intel SD 3000. We just ignore it. Then the welcoming screen window will appear. This looks like Adobe Premiere Pro. I choose New Project. We can see here, Filmora Pro runs not according to my expectation, not responding several times. Maybe because of my low computer specification. The specification of my computer are Intel i3 second generation, Intel SD 3000 and 6GB RAM. I tried to insert a video file, but Filmora Pro is still not responding. The conclusion is Filmora Pro provides a very significant update. However, Filmora Pro runs normally if our computer specification meet the recommendation of the official Filmora website. So, I hope that in the future, Filmora will run normally and be lighter on my computer. I think enough how to install and my first impression of Filmora Pro. If you have a solution to the problem I am facing, please write in the comment field. Thank you so much and see you again on the next video.